Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. Here's Wordle number 732 for Wednesday, June 21st, 2023. Getting started with my favorite beginner word, raise. And I've got 3 letters. That's a very good start. The E is in the correct place. The R and the A are not. So what 5-letter word can I come up with using these 3 letters? I don't have to worry about another vowel, so I'm going to go for it. I'm going to assume the A goes in the middle, so the R may go as the second letter. So let's try T-R-A, something E. So out of the remaining letters I have, what letter could go as the 4th letter? Just going to do this. T-R-A-W, no. P-F-G-H-J, trake, T-R-A-K-E, T-R-A-L-E, T-R-A-C-E, trace. Trace is a word. Let's try trace. If this is not correct, I will at least know if I have the R or the A in the correct position. The R and the A is in the correct position, and it starts with the C, so this is going to be very easy to figure out now, as I also have the C. I have 4 letters. I'm going to get this in 3, I believe. So it's going to be C-R-A-X-E. All I have to do is figure out what the 4th letter is, so let me go ahead and do that right now. So looking at the remaining letters, there are a number of words that could fit. The first one I can think of is crane. The second one is crepe. And the third one is crave. So my intuition is to tell me to go with crave. So I'm either going to get it in 3. If it's not crave, it's either crane or it's crepe. So let me cross my fingers and hope I have the right word selected. And I don't. So again, this is what I don't like about Wordle. Numerous words can work. I should have gotten it in 3. Now I may not get it until 5 if crane is not the word. And I just don't think that crane is the word. And it is. So I end up getting it in 4. I could have got it in 3. I could have got it in 5 if I would have used crepe instead of crane. Just another one of those Wordle words where there are numerous words that could have worked. I hope if you got to the point that I got to, you chose crane instead of crave or crepe. One other note, crane is a very popular starting word, and I'm sure some Wordle players got it in 1 today if they use crane as their starter word. So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.